Yes, sure.
May you introduce all of us? Yes, why not? First of all, I want to greet to you people. Assalamu alaikum, one and all present here. And myself, friend Muhammad Ijaz Qureshi, has completed my matriculation from Educational Fragrance Public High School, and currently I am studying in Khurshid Begum College in class first year. Women, as you know, that she has a lot of power as you are a woman, or I know that you will agree from my this statement that women must be given all of the empowerments and rights she deserves.
Why do we give more preference to English than other languages?
As you know that it is considered as an international language, and in every country it is so common. Like if you speak English in China, if you speak English in India, they people can understand. But if you speak Chinese in the country of India, obviously the people are unable to understand what are you saying. So as you know that it has a very much demand worldwide. That is why it is considered more than any other language.
If you could go back in time in the past, what advice would you like to give to your younger self?
What do we say? A person who takes decision very early. Okay. I used to take decision very early whether it would be wrong or right without considering the black side or a right side of that. I used to take decision without sharing that thing to somebody, or without focusing on that thing. I used to just take decision.
Explain what is the difference between must and should.
In must there is no choice for you, and in should there is choice. Like if I say you must come early, okay, no choice for you. You must come early. If you will not come early, so there could be some problems for you. Okay, but if I say you should come, now there is your choice. You come or you don't come. But yeah, it's like that.